Determine the degree of static indeterminacy of the beam shown based on the given conditions. Part 1 based on the given figure. So meron tayong fixed-ended beam with internal hinge. Atong hinge span, no? So, kailangan na natin gawin is bilangin yung unknown reactions. So meron tayong tatlong reactions sa fixed. Shear axial at dinding. Tatlo rin dito. Okay? So, number of reaction is 6. Tatlo at tatlo, 6. Kailangan lang natin i-compare yung number of unknown reactions at number of equations available. Ang number of equation natin, in general, I will have that one as 3 plus EC. Itong 3, yan yung number of conditions of equilibrium. Summation forces X, Y, at summation of moment about any tatlong condition. Ang EC, there is an additional reaction, additional equation if we have internal hinge or internal roller. Kung hinge internal, there is additional one reaction. Kasi doon sa internal hinge, pwede kang mag-moment. There is no resistance against moment from take advantage. Ang internal roller naman dalawa, additional. So there is an internal hinge that will be 1. Meron kang 4 na available if we start. And the reaction is greater than the equations available, then you cannot solve the problem. Or that's indeterminate. And degree of indeterminacy is the difference of the unknown reaction at the equation. 6 minus 4, answer is to the second degree. Statically determinate to the second degree. For part 2, the fixed NC is replaced by a pin support. Papalitan na siya ng pin. Bilangin lang natin. So, may tatlo sa fixed, merong dalawa lang dito sa pin. Okay, wala na yung bending moment sa pin. Ilan yung reaction? 3, 2, 5. Equations. 3 plus EC. Yan, internal hinge. 4. Okay? Meron tayong 5 minus 4 na degree of indeterminacy. So the answer is radically indeterminate to the first degree. For part 3, the internal hinge at B is removed. Ang internal hinge sa B is removed. Kinanggal sa. Tanggalin natin. So if it's just plain beam, fixed at both ends. Okay? So, 6. May 6 na reaction. So, ang easy natin this time, wala na kasi tinanggal natin. So, that is 0. Tatlong reactions on equations na talaga yung available. So, the degree of indeterminacy is R minus T. 6 minus 3, answer is topically indeterminate to the third degree. Letter A po yung sagot.